Kourtney Kardashian and Travis Barker's son Rocky 13 shows off his drumming skills in adorable new photo. It's a sweet, rhythmic glimpse into a musical legacy in the making. Travis Barker and Kourtney Kardashian's 20-month-old son, Rocky 13 Barker, is already showing signs he might be following in his father's iconic footsteps, literally and musically. In a newly shared photo that melted the hearts of fans, little Rocky is seen sitting behind a miniature drum kit, grasping his drumsticks and ready to strike. The image, posted to Travis Barker's Instagram story, captures a beautiful moment of father and son bonding over beats. Travis, the legendary drummer for Blink-182, kneels beside his toddler, guiding and supporting him as he takes his earliest steps into the world of percussion. It's a full-circle moment for Travis, who has made his name as one of the most recognized and respected drummers in the music world. Seeing his own son showing curiosity and talent at such a young age is undoubtedly a source of joy and pride for him. A rare glimpse into Rocky's world. Unlike many celebrity couples, Travis and Kourtney have chosen to keep their son Rocky largely out of the public eye. Since his birth in November 2023, Rocky has been featured only a handful of times on social media. And even then, the couple has taken great care to protect his privacy, often sharing photos that don't reveal his face. That's what made this new drumming photo so special. It offered fans a glimpse into Rocky's world without compromising the privacy and intentional boundaries his parents have set. The image wasn't overly produced or curated. It was raw, sweet, and simple, just a toddler at a drum set with his dad by his side. And while fans couldn't see Rocky's full face, the image still conveyed his energy, curiosity, and joy. Dressed casually and sitting tall on the stool, Rocky looked focused and engaged, giving off the vibe of a tiny rock star in training. Signs of musical talent early on. This isn't the first time fans have seen signs of Rocky's budding musical interests. Back in April 2025, during the Coachella Music Festival, Rocky was spotted behind the scenes tapping along to the rhythm on a practice drum pad while his father performed on stage. The moment was brief but powerful. At just 17 months old, Rocky was already intrigued by sound, tempo, and rhythm, something Travis has also confirmed in interviews. According to the proud dad, Rocky has shown an uncanny ability to pick up instruments around the house, including both drums and guitar. He's constantly banging, strumming, or creating music in his own little way, Travis reportedly shared. These small but mighty moments suggest that Rocky's connection to music is more than environmental. It may be instinctive. After all, musicality runs deep in his DNA. Parenting style, attachment, balance, and boundaries. Both Kourtney and Travis have spoken openly in recent months about how they're raising Rocky. Unlike some celebrity parents who choose to spotlight their children online, the couple is taking a more grounded, protective approach. Kourtney, in particular, has emphasized her desire to be present and nurturing. On a recent podcast appearance, she talked about practicing attachment parenting, holding Rocky during naps, spending uninterrupted time together, and prioritizing emotional closeness over public appearances. This philosophy isn't just talk. It's visible in the way the couple interacts with Rocky when they are photographed. Always gentle, always mindful. Even this new drumming photo is a perfect example of that ethos. While it delights fans, it doesn't exploit their child or expose more than necessary. It shows the humanity of parenting rather than the glamour. The Barker legacy, passing the beat. For longtime fans of Travis Barker, this image also sparks a sense of continuity. It's not uncommon for children of musicians to explore the same artistic paths as their parents, but seeing it unfold so naturally and so young makes it all the more meaningful. Travis has often spoken about how drumming was an outlet and a source of discipline and self-expression for him as a young man. Watching Rocky begin to engage with the same instrument must be incredibly emotional. Of course, there's no pressure, at least not publicly. Travis and Kourtney haven't made any declarations about Rocky's future, and they seem content to let him explore whatever passions he may develop on his own timeline. But this glimpse into his drumming playtime certainly fuels curiosity. Fans react with love and support. Following the post, fans took to social media to share their excitement and support. Many commented on how adorable Rocky looked, while others praised Travis and Kourtney for their parenting style and the way they handle their child's privacy. Some long-time Blink 182 fans expressed joy at seeing the next generation perhaps taking an interest in music, while Kardashian fans were simply happy to see a joyful, intimate family moment. One fan wrote, "Rocky's already got rhythm in his soul. Travis must be the proudest dad on earth." Another added, "Kourtney and Travis are doing parenting right. So much love and so much respect for boundaries. What's next for baby Barker?" While Rocky's future remains a mystery, one thing is clear. He's growing up in a home filled with creativity, love, and encouragement. Whether he chooses to pursue music or something entirely different, he has the support system to thrive. And for fans, moments like this offer a rare but appreciated look into the quieter side of celebrity life. The real, everyday joys that make parenthood so special. As Rocky continues to grow, it wouldn't be surprising if we see more snippets of his musical journey. Perhaps even a father-son jam session one day. Until then, this one photo is enough to make us smile, tap our feet, and appreciate the rhythm of life that Kourtney, Travis, and little Rocky are creating together. Tools.